Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Fujifilm Instax mini instant film cartridges. So these are 60 sheets that come in this box. This is basically for those of you who own a Fujifilm Instax mini camera. So I believe these are compatible with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera. Okay, and these are the cartridges. In here are cartridges that actually go into the camera. So obviously you will keep needing to buy these if you're going to keep taking shots with this. Okay, so what can I tell you about this product? Well, the dimensions of this, in case you're wondering what the dimensions are, don't get confused. This is for the mini. So these are it says over here clearly mini credit card size photos. So this works with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera. Okay guys, what can I tell you about this product? Let me just give you some of the dimensions. So it contains 6 cartridges or 6 packs of films, which each have 10 shots. So that brings up a total of 60 sheets, which clearly says over here. The image size is 6.2 centimeters by 4.6 centimeters. Okay. The picture size is 8.6 centimeters by 5.4 centimeters. All right. And basically, let's just go ahead and unbox this and open it up. I'll just open it. And as you can clearly see, there are 6 cartridges in here. Each of these will contain 10 sheets. So let me just open one of them, show you the actual cartridge. So I'll just take that out, put the box, close the box, put it off to the side. There you go. Okay, I'll keep the box right there. And this is the cartridge. So on the packaging itself, it clearly gives you the instructions. So again, it says over here, Instant Film Instax Mini. So this works with your Instax Mini. It shows you how to actually load the cartridge. You have to open the camera and make sure that that top end where this is, there'll be a little yellow thing, I believe, over there. I'll just open it and show it to you. And it kind of fits into your camera right over there. So you have to align that. It says take pictures between 5 degrees centigrade, which is 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and 40 degrees centigrade. So 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's the operating temperature for the film in here. Attention, read the instructions before use. Okay, clearly tells you that. What else? Oh, so it tells you how to actually open. On the back, it tells you how to actually open this. So let me just go ahead and do that. So it shows you how to actually tear it down. And that's the cartridge itself. So as I said over here, there's a little mark, and this needs to go into your camera. To the top end needs to go into your camera. It clearly says over here where not to touch. So don't touch these two parts ever. There's a finger and as you can see, there's a finger and a cross. So don't put your finger there. And at the same time, do not press. It says very clearly, do not press here. So do not press down here at all. Okay. So the best is to actually hold this from the side, hold it from the edges, and insert it into your Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 camera, and you're all set to go. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Fujifilm Instax mini film, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.